Killerbody RC specialises in high detail, realistic scale RC car bodies. I've had a couple of their Lexan shells and they were really good. And the Land Cruiser 70 series hardbody is supremely popular in the crawler scene, but I've not had much to do with them. So let's unbox this and take a look at the Killerbody Jeep Gladiator Rubicon hardbody assembly kit.
Okay, so there's a lot to this. This is cool. Separate window glass. So the box says this fits the Axial SCX-10 and 10.2 chassis, Traxxas TRX4, RC 4-wheel drive, TF2, and it actually says and so on. So a lot of different options for fitting this thing. And we could put it on the new Killerbody Mercury chassis, which would be sweet. Finished. Okay, decals. It looks like they are already cut out. That's going to make and putting them on a lot easier. Take note, Tamiya. Wheel arches. Bumpers. Hope you're enjoying this ASMR. Dashboard. Okay, so we've got bonnet and front flares, or front fenders. Doors. 48765-R. No. Brackets look to be, hinges and stuff for the doors. Top of the roof, maybe? Vents and such. Jeep. Door interiors. Really sweet. Really sweet. More. Ah yes, the Jeep grill. Iconic. Rear. Oh, lenses, pre-paint, that actually makes it a lot easier. I like not having to use the transparent paint. That's cool. Chromey boys. And more body parts. But what's in here? Oh, yeah. Alright, so there's the tray, or bed liner. There we go, those are the separate window parts. Those are in the instructions. It's mint. Toey things. Mesh things. Actually, I'm going to get some of this stuff out of its little baggies and do some close-ups for you. Look at the detail on these stickers. Hang on, I'll zoom in. I really like this. Dashboard comes in left-hand drive and correct hand drive. This is sweet. It looks like the bed liner is actually made out of, well, bed liner. They've used a different textured plastic.
So this is around $390 Australian, and I'll put the link in the description so you can check out this and other cool stuff from Killerbody. So this is a proper build, but what should we do? What color or what colors? What style? Should we do a proper scale build with accessories like fuel cans and jacks, or should I follow my heart and do a full apocalypse build and do fuel cans and rust? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more awesome RC stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.